guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lately, I've been really craving In-N-Out, and I don't live in a state where there is an In-N-Out, so I thought today I would show you guys how to make the In-N-Out grilled cheese, which is personally my favorite, and how to make the sauce, which I'd say tastes almost exactly the same as the actual In-N-Out sauce. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that recipe. It's super easy and it's also super quick. So we're going to start with the sauce. So basically for the sauce, all you need is mayo, ketchup. You're also going to need a little bit of sugar. You're going to need some relish. You can use sweet or dill. I prefer dill, but we only had sweet, so that's what I'm going to use today. And then you're also going to need some distilled white vinegar, but I've also seen people use apple cider vinegar. I think it just makes it like more flavorful. I don't know, I've never tried that before though. So for the sauce, you're going to need half a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of the relish, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, and then 1.5 teaspoons of distilled white vinegar. So this is what your mixture should look like, and then I'm just gonna stir it all together with a fork, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what I don't know if you can see, this is what the sauce should look like. It's kind of like a light orange, like Thousand Island-y. It smells really good. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make the actual sandwich. So first what you wanna do is you wanna set your oven to broil, because then we're gonna stick the buns in there. So basically all you need for the grilled cheese is a hamburger bun, just a plain hamburger bun. In-N-Out doesn't put pickles on theirs, I think, but I like to add pickles on mine when I go, so I do that at home also. And then all I had in the house right now was Colby Jack cheese, so we're gonna use that. And then just also some lettuce, just for some leaves of lettuce to add onto the sandwich. I have romaine. They usually use iceberg. Lettuce all tastes the same, let's be honest. I mean, you know. I'm gonna take my hamburger bun and just separate it onto the baking sheet, and then what I like to do is do a spray on each side of pan, so then it helps it get like really golden brown and crispy. So okay, and then we are going to stick the buns in the oven, and you want to make sure you keep a really close eye on them, because broil will get things golden really quickly, like in a matter of seconds. So it should really only take like a minute to get them golden. I just wanted to show you what they look like. It's been less than a minute and they're already like golden, so I'm going to take them out. So now that the buns are toasted, we're going to take our cheese, and basically what I usually do is I put one on either side of the bun just so it's extra cheesy. So one here and on here, and then we're going to throw it back into the oven on broil for literally like maybe 15 to 30 seconds. So these were in here for about like 10-15 seconds. They're already melted, already golden brown, so it's obviously this recipe takes like maybe like 15 minutes max to make the whole thing. It's so easy, that's why I love it so much. So as you can see, the cheese is all melted, and then we're gonna assemble the sandwich. Okay, so now that we have like the cheese part done, we're gonna start to assemble the sandwich. Okay, so I'm just gonna layer like a few leaves on the bottom half of the sandwich. Just like that, perfect. And then I'm gonna take my pickles. I'm gonna do like 2 of them. So there's 1. And then 2. What makes it the In-N-Out grilled cheese is now we are going to add the sauce that we made before. I'm gonna add, I don't know, I don't do like exact. I'm gonna go just plop some on there. I really like it, so I'm gonna do, this is a fork. I don't know why I used a fork and not a spoon. I'm gonna do 2 forkfuls of it. Just put the top on, and then there you have it, your very own In-N-Out grilled cheese. And then we're gonna do a taste test. Okay, so here is my beautiful grilled cheese, and we're gonna taste it. I already know it's gonna taste good. I don't even know why I'm doing this. It's gonna taste good. Oh my god, it's so freaking good. I mean, the only thing I ever get from In-N-Out is a grilled cheese, so I know it pretty well. Like 99% accurate. I mean, it's so good. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you try it, let me know. Let me know if you like it. If you had a hamburger, to make it a hamburger. Let me know how that tastes, how you like that. Other than that, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment on it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.